Hello, hello. Hi, everyone. I'm back, and look what I'm back with. Someone's gonna win something. Yes, guys. STARFRIT is in collaboration with me again, and they are so awesome that they are willing to give one of you a free electric pressure cooker. How exciting is this? And here it is. It's sitting here on my stove. I'm excited. It has all these beautiful presets on it. It has oatmeal and chilies. It does have beef stew, but we're going to call that seitan stew. And that's what I'm going to be making for you guys. I made the meat the other day and my stew. There's all kinds of great things you can make. Yogurt, if you want to make some vegan yogurt. There's cakes, and there's baking, and there's steaming, and there's pilaf rice. There's so many great things you can make this. Very easy to use, and basically there's your valve on top. But I'm excited. I really am. I really wanted to have one of these for a long time, and they were nice enough to send me one to make a review. This is going to be your giveaway, guys. How exciting is this? Look at that. We're going to make some beautiful chili. I'm going to have all kinds of recipes prepared for you guys. And this is going to be an awesome, awesome gift. It does come with a book. And in the book, there's a couple of recipes you can try out. And how amazing is STARFRIT to be able to do this? We've got 16 preset cooking functions. Saves up to 70% cooking time and nutrition. Beautiful recipes. There's a couple of recipes you can try out in the booklet. And the rest, I'm going to be sharing some of mine with you. And here is what it looks like. And here it is in person. They gave me one to review, and they're willing to give one to someone in Canada or the US. So you have to be either Canadian or American to be able to participate in this giveaway. But I'm excited for you. And very easy to use. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Let me see if I can open it up. Here it is. That is the inside. It comes with a booklet. It has a rack. I guess we could do yogurts on this. Or steamed vegetables. There's the wire. There's a plastic spatula. And there is a measuring cup, I guess, for rice or whatever else you need to measure. It's a small one, but I guess if you're following their recipe, you'll probably be using that. So this is how exciting this is, guys. I am happy. Easy to use, easy to lock. You basically just turn it over to the side and it locks. You've got your valve, and this is the release valve. So this is it. Presettings. We've got all kinds of great presettings. And if it says meat, well, you know, we're going to substitute that with seitan, being that we're in a vegan channel, right? And it's got potatoes, soups, there's stews, there's baking, there's yogurt, there's cake, there's oatmeal, pastas. There's so many things that you could do. It's a digital one. This is really great news, isn't it? And there's a box. It shows you different dishes you can make. There's 16 easy preset cookings for you. It's a very large one. It's got 10 hours automatic warm setting. Look at that. This is just simply amazing. I'm really happy. They are incredible. STARFRIT, thank you again for being able to make someone very happy. That's for sure. And there's the box. It's a very big box. So they're going to be sending it out to you. So guys, this is going to be up for 2 weeks. So people have a chance to be able to participate in this draw. And then I will be making a video showing who the winner is. So I'm excited. You're going to see first, you're going to see the stew recipe and a video on how to make that meat. It's very easy, very simple. So there it is. That's your giveaway, guys. You have 2 weeks. You have 2 weeks to participate. So come by. Make sure you're that you're subscribed to me. Leave a comment below under the video. And then if you want your name in for a second time, you have to share it with your friends. You have to come back, post a link where you shared it, because if I don't see a link, I cannot count you twice. So you have to post a link if you want your name twice for this draw. And I want to say good luck to you all. I'm excited for you. I'm excited for me because I've never had one. So let's let's do this. Let's enter this draw. And I'm going to say good luck. Remember, guys, unfortunately, it's just for the US and Canada. They're only going to send out to Canada and the US, unfortunately. So I'm sorry, guys. Anywhere outside Canada and US, don't feel bad. I'm going to have a lot of giveaways that I personally will send out, and I will send it out to wherever. So I'm going to say good luck. It's not the last draw, guys. And don't feel bad if you don't win, because there's always more giveaways. So good luck, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. How exciting!
For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to Connie's RAWsome Kitchen. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.